Walking up to this screw chiller. I don't know a lot about chillers, but it's the alarm. Waiting for evap flow. We go to report. Evaporator, no flow. I just walked up. See, that's very pitted. See, somebody been messing with this flow switch already. And the pumps are on because that chiller is working. Pumps over here. The pump's on. I gotta make sure. That don't look right. But gotta check these pumps. But I'm gonna check and make sure I got incoming voltage. I don't feel no flow. This is, I'm almost certain this is, that's the condenser side, this the evaporator side. This is the evaporator side. That's the condenser water return, leaving. Circuit 2. No, this the evaporator. That's the condenser. No flow, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. I just realized somebody got this closed off. This is the return. That's the supply. No flow. So what we finna do is we're gonna open this up and see if the chiller start. Yep, that one closed off. That's the leaving water for the evaporator, so I'm gonna open that up. We got flow. Waiting to start. That's the incoming side, but I wasn't getting nothing coming out. But I got flow now. Somebody been tampering with that already. We on. She started up, and this one just shut off. What happened? No alarm. We're gonna see if these classrooms. This should be control the half of the hallways that's hot. It's gotta be. it's pulling that load from the space, which is causing the leaving water temperature to go up, I believe. All that heat load from the space. I think. I don't know a lot about no chillers, centrifugals, or screws, but that was closed off, but hopefully that solves their problem. But I'm gonna recommend them getting this switch replaced. And whatever else I can find, like that needs a cover. Sweating down to 60. The valve. Come to this side, touch the pipe. We have got the issues with the indoor air handlers, most of them solved. And chiller's still running, that's good. Still got flow. We at set point. My service call. Make sure this one's not an alarm. Yep, it's still in run inhibit. Yeah, it's just waiting for its external source to turn it on.